Hello everyone, this is Karen at Bayen Group, and today we're going to learn how you can save any conversation for later access in Microsoft Teams. For today's topic, we're going to be covering the following: how to save messages, where to find the messages, and use cases of when to save messages. Jumping right in, this tip can be applied to save any type of conversation thread in your Microsoft Teams channel, any group messages, along with any private messages as well. Jumping back into my Teams, I'm in my digital asset web channel. And here, there's an important conversation that is going on between me and my team members that I want to keep tab. Instead of having to scroll up and down within my channel, or in case if this conversation thread gets lost within other conversations, I can go up to the right corner, select on the More Options or the ellipses, and then mark Save this message. On the top right, you can see underneath my profile picture an indication that this message was saved. Not only can I save just the very top message, if there's any conversation within, I can go ahead and as well go to More Options and save this message. So jumping right in, if I go to my profile picture and go to Saved, I can see all the messages I had previously marked to save that I can view at a later time. If I go ahead and jump again to that first one that I had saved, which is the whole conversation thread, you can see that on the right panel, it kind of highlights a light yellow to give you an indication of which message that you save, whether it was from the very top, or again, if I click on the very first one, which was the last I saved, it showed that I saved a particular conversation in this thread. Some great use cases of when to save messages is to overall help you keep track of any particular to-do items. If, for example, you no longer need to keep tab of this conversation thread, you can go ahead and unsave this message by, again, clicking on the ribbon. It will then remove it from your view. This also saves you from time from reviewing past and old messages, as well as spending less time trying to remember when you last saw what someone said. Overall, thank you again for joining me in this quick tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.